In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Yahoo Mail. If your emails look a little too small or a bit oversized, adjusting the default font size makes your messages easier to read and keeps your style consistent. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few practical tips so you know what to expect. First, sign into your Yahoo Mail account. Head to the Yahoo Mail login page, enter your email address, then your password, and you'll land on your inbox. Take a second to make sure the page fully loads so all the menus appear, especially the settings icon we'll use next. Now, let's open the settings. Look to the upper right corner of your inbox for the gear icon. Click it. You might see a small panel of quick settings. If you do, choose More Settings to open the full settings area. In the left-hand menu, select Writing Email, sometimes labeled Compose. This section controls how your outgoing messages look, including your default font and size. Here's where you set your default style. Under Default Rich Text Font, you'll see drop-down menus for font style and size. Pick a font you like, such as Arial, and then choose a size, small, medium, large, or extra large. Medium is a comfortable, professional choice for most people, while large or extra large can be helpful if you prefer bigger text for readability. As you make changes, Yahoo applies them automatically to new messages. You don't need to click a separate Save button, simply leaving the settings page keeps your selection. A quick note, these defaults affect new emails you compose after this change. They won't alter messages you've already sent or received. Also, if you don't see the font options, your compose mode may be set to plain text, which hides rich text controls. Let's test it so you can confirm everything looks right. Go back to your inbox and click Compose to start a new email. Type a sample line or two and check the font size on screen. If it looks the way you want, you're set. If it's too small or too large, return to Settings, open Writing Email again, and tweak the size until it matches your preference. Remember, even with a default set, you can still adjust the size while writing a specific message using the toolbar inside the Compose window. That way you keep a consistent baseline, but you have flexibility when you need it. And that's it. Sign in, open the gear icon, go to More Settings, choose Writing Email, set your default rich text font and size, and test with a quick draft. You're ready to send cleaner, easier to read emails.